Yep, there he goes. What a moron! Nice cut off. And I think that's an exit dive up there too.
Work all day, you don't have time to watch it. Like, you can't, when you get a job, you just can't listen even. Like, I can't spend 2 hours listening to something on almost any day. I got real
nice
lucky
cut
on
off.
Monday that I had a break in my day, news gathering process, that burying it in the middle of the fucking day or 10 in the morning on a weekday, it dramatic.
No stop.
Double. So I don't know what's happening there. It's too much. It's too much. In Europe, they haven't built new shit for a year.
New text message from +125151518.
Stay in your own lane, please.
She heard an item about it on the radio. Her fingers dug at the fabric of her handbag. Oh my God, is that DeWitt?
Yeah, what a great plan. Cross the wrong side of the road to save zero time. Okay, you got this red truck turning on here. He takes the turn wide and then he goes to the right lane. And then he realizes, oh shit, I gotta make a left turn. So now he cuts it all the way across into the left lane. Very big dumb move here. Wait, what's that guy doing up there? Had to be in the right lane for some reason, with the left turn coming up. No stop.
The dying man was moving. His eyes fluttered and opened.
Red light run up there.
The irises ringed with...
No, the question. What was the question?
The question is there anything positive that
no
our
stop.
species needs?
Really? Like I was going that fast.
He changed electricity to energy, removed magnetism, and added the square of light to the dielectric and changed it.
Exit dive.
Now he gets to be worse.
Zapper, mostly on their end, because that kind of thing doesn't bother me. But when this came
nice cut off.
And, you know...
Exit dive. Red light run. And another red light run. Really? That was red. He was racing for it too. What are you doing? There's cars turning too, and it's no turn on red. Yep, there he goes. What a moron! Red light run.
We will talk more about this, and by then you will understand. Oh Christ, he understood more than he wanted to right now. Give me a chance, Lewis thought. Every possibility you could think of. If we don't, it's just blotto.
No stop.
The end. And I ever knew. And old George Anderson only wanted to go on running the post office for...
Really?
It was only the bad. Until he felt capable of actually making it to his feet. He groped for the handle and flushed the John.
Really?
He went to the mirror to see how badly bloodshot his eyes.
And I actually think this mimics a lot of what we're seeing socially, where there are real, serious people.
Unless I can walk, I'm not going.
No turn on, Rod.
Yeah, that'd be cool. If you get tricked by that, that is on you. You know, I'm gonna have to blame a little bit.
Had drawn a peace sign and a message, Grace loves mommy, in the fog bathroom after a shower.
Including teaching that life begins at fertilization and requiring students to listen to live ultrasounds of gestating fetuses. It came with a long explanation. For example, the section on the Voting Rights Act of 1965, which the Justice Department calls the most successful piece of civil rights legislation ever adopted by Congress.
Make jokes, but then we also just hang out. So check it out if you get a chance. And, you know, while you're there, go take a look at it. You know, subscribe, like on YouTube.
Was immediately made a member of the Royal Society, which was the greatest scientific.
It. I mean, don't tell me what it is. Just eat. Ask so many questions for what? Just eat. Hi. That's gonna be great.
No,
dude,
stop,
this is gonna be so
Audie.
sick, man. Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Red light runner.
Go be with my people. Is that tribalism? I think, yeah, okay, fine. Is it community and belonging? I think it...
Connecticut. Yeah, move your ass over. Glad I left that place.
And each sentence do not even connect together. So I don't think, first of all, I don't think we're serving the facts. I don't think we're serving science, and I don't think we're serving the audience by continuing.
Hi!
I don't see a connection between physics and spirituality.
Music critics?
Really? Pedestrian. I had to slow down to 40 for you. Really? You're turning right? Of course. Yep, saw that exit dive. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time. And there is a sign that says it because this is a construction zone. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, bye.